Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I will be guiding you how to log into Ayala Coop employee account. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. On your desktop, go ahead and open up any web browser that you prefer. And on the search URL, type in Ayala Coop employee login. Then press enter on your keyboard. And from all of the search results, click on this second link that says Coop Self-Service Login. Then you will be taken to this login portal. From here, enter your employee number, that is your member ID, on the first text field that you will see on this interface. Once you're done typing in your valid member ID, under the password field, enter your correct password. In case you forgot your password, there is a link provided under login button that says forget your password. Click on that and that will help you out to recover your password. Now if you are done typing in your ID and your password, click on this login button and on the next page you will be successfully logged into your employee account. And that's how you can log into Ayala Coop employee account. If this video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon so that you will not miss any other further updates from our channel. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.